Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Nissan Frontier. First, gather your supplies. A new oil filter, the correct type and amount of engine oil, a wrench, and an oil drain pan. Make sure your engine is slightly warm but not hot to help the oil flow smoothly. Safely raise the front of your truck using a jack and secure it with jack stands for stability. Now, let's get ready to drain the old oil. Now that your truck is safely elevated, position your oil drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using the correct size wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Let the old oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. Once drained, clean the drain plug and consider replacing its gasket to prevent leaks. Then, reinstall the drain plug securely. Next, carefully unscrew the old oil filter. Be ready with your drain pan to catch any residual oil. Once removed, take your new oil filter and apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about an additional 1/4 turn. Now, locate your oil fill cap and pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically around 5.3 quarts for a Nissan Frontier. After adding the new oil, replace the oil fill cap and carefully lower your truck back to the ground. Start the engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the new oil. Then, turn off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle. Check the oil level using the dipstick, adding more if needed to reach the full mark. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your used engine oil at an approved recycling facility. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.